Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter inside our earth. Children, in this chapter we will mainly discuss about the interior structure of the earth. Children, no one having accurate information and about the earth. We have very less information and idea about the earth interior because children, no one can move from the surface to the core because core temperature is very high. Core temperature, mental temperature is very high. So we having very less information about the interior of the earth, and all the information which we having is totally based on the earthquake activity and the volcanic activity. Through the earthquake waves, we are able to know about the solid layer and the liquid layer of the earth, and as through the volcanic eruption we are able to know about the minerals which are found inside the earth. Okay children, and all the categories of the earth is based on their physical and the chemical properties. Okay children, it is believed that the age of the earth is 460 crore years. Okay, the age of earth is 460 crore years. And children, when we go from the surface to the core, the temperature will be rise and it will increase every 32 meter 1 degree Celsius temperature will be increase. That means very high temperature we will get when we reach to the center core. Okay, and now it is about 5000 degrees Celsius temperature are found on the core. Okay children, due to the pressure and temperature, okay, some layer of the earth are found in the liquid form and some are found in the solid form. Children, the average density of the earth is 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, and children, these we have all the information which we have having. It is also collected by the geologist. Geologists are the person who study about the interior structure of the earth. Children, and our earth is broadly classified into 3 groups, that is crust. Okay, you can see here crust, mantle and core. Okay, and further crust, mantle and core divided into 2 categories, that is upper mantle, upper crust, lower crust. We will discuss here now upper mantle, lower mantle, upper core and the lower core. We can also say outer mantle, upper and inner mantle, outer core and the inner core. Okay children, let's come to the first, crust. Okay children, the uppermost layer of the earth is known as crust. Okay, and children, you already know that earth having 2 bodies, right? Can you say the name? Yes children, earth is divided into 2 earth surface. Okay, earth surface has divided into 2 bodies. First is the water body and the second is continental body. Okay, continental body, because earth surface has divided into the water and the land. Okay, so water bodies come under the oceanic crust, right? And the land bodies come under the continental crust. Children, here what is the differences between the oceanic crust and the continental crust? You can see here oceanic crust and the continental crust. Children, oceanic crust, the average thickness of the oceanic crust is only 5 kilometer. It is only 5 kilometer, but the average density, okay, the average thickness of the crust is continental crust is what? 35 kilometer. Okay, that means the continental crust is more thicker as compared to the oceanic crust, right? Continental crust is more thicker than the oceanic crust. Children, and this layer is also known as lithosphere. Okay, this layer is also known as lithosphere. And children, the average density of the crust is 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, and children, crust and mantle, the continental crust and the oceanic crust are made up of a very lighter material. Crust, come to the first continental crust. Children, continental crust made up of the lighter material, that is silica and alumina. Okay, silica and alumina. Whereas oceanic crust made up of the silica and the magnesium. Okay, silica and magnesium. That is about the crust. Children, when we go beneath the crust, okay, we will get mantle. You can see here up, and mantle further classified into the upper mantle and the lower mantle. And the average density, okay, the average density of the mantle is 2900 kilometer. 2900 kilometer. And children, upper mantle are found in the liquid form and the lower mantle are found in the solid form. Children, and mantle is made up of higher material, that is iron and magnesium. Okay, iron and magnesium. And children, about the mantle found between the crust and the core. Okay, between the crust and the core. And children, most of the volcanic activity takes place from the upper mantle. Okay, take place from the upper mantle. Children, that is about the crust and mantle. About the core we will discuss in the next video. Okay.